Alphabetical.
Alphabetisch.
The list was in alphabetical order. Attendant.
Aufseher, in.
The attendant gave me a map of the gallery. Aunt.
Tante.
My favorite aunt is my mum's sister. Beautiful.
Schön.
London parks are beautiful. Big.
Groß.
New York is a big city. Blog.
Blog.
I have a blog where I write about my life. Boyfriend.
Freund.
My sister has a new boyfriend. Brother.
Bruder.
My brother and I are good friends. Cheap.
Billig.
The food here is very nice and it's cheap. Check out.
Überprüfen. Ansehen.
You can check out my photos on my blog. Coke.
Cola.
Can I have a Coke, please? Cold.
Kalt.
It's cold in winter. Complete.
Fertigstellen.
You can complete the exercise later. Conversation.
Unterhaltung.
What is the conversation about? Cousin.
Cousin,
My cousin is the same age as me. Darling.
Liebling.
Goodbye, darling, have a good day. Daughter.
Tochter.
My daughter is 5 years old. Difficult.
Schwierig.
My job is difficult, but I like it. Easy.
Einfach.
It's easy to use the underground system. Expensive.
Teuer.
That's an expensive restaurant. Friendly.
Freundlich.
My new neighbors are very friendly. Girlfriend.
Freundin.
I think my brother has got a new girlfriend. Good.
Gut.
Debbie is a good teacher. Grandfather.
Großvater.
My mother's father is my grandfather. Grandmother.
Großmutter.
My father's mother is my grandmother. Horrible.
Schrecklich.
This coffee is horrible. Husband.
Ehemann.
Mike is my friend's husband. Interesting.
Interessant.
London is an interesting city. Introduce.
Vorstellen.
Let me introduce you to my sister Anne. Just.
Nur.
Don't worry about me. I'm just waiting for my brother. Lawyer.
Anwalt, Anwältin.
My father works as a lawyer. Lovely.
Schön.
I like your girlfriend, she's lovely. Married.
Verheiratet.
My sister Emily is married. Mother.
Mutter.
My mother is a doctor. Near.
In der Nähe.
There's a cafe near my school. Nephew.
Neffe.
I only have one nephew. Nice.
Nett.
It's nice to meet new people. Niece.
Nichte.
Sheila is my niece. Office.
Büro.
Amelia works in an office in York. Old.
Alt.
How old are you? Opposite.
Gegensätzlich.
The opposite of big is small. Parents.
Eltern.
My parents are on holiday at the moment. Personal.
Persönlich.
Please complete the form with your personal information. Practice.
Üben.
You need to practice your English. Sister.
Schwester.
My sister is older than me. Slow.
Langsam.
This bus is so slow. Small.
Klein.
Maria is in a small school. Son.
Sohn.
My son is a university student. Spell.
Buchstabieren.
How do you spell your name? Sunny.
Sonnig.
I like sunny weather. Surname.
Nachname.
Is Smith your surname? Thank goodness.
Gott sei Dank.
Thank goodness it's Friday. Ticket.
Ticket.
You don't need a ticket for the museum, it's free. Topic.
Thema.
Please help me choose a topic for my blog entry. Uncle.
Onkel.
My uncle lives in Edinburgh. Waiter.
Kellner.
I work as a waiter at a cafe. Weather.
Wetter.
What's the weather like in your town? Weekend.
Wochenende.
I only work at the weekend. Wife.
Ehefrau.
My brother doesn't have a wife.